Hello friends, today we have to learn about intermediate 7 marks important question, that is OrthoCenter. I am taken an vertices, that is A is equals to 2 minus 2 comma minus 1, and B is equals to 6 comma minus 1, and C is equals to 2 comma 5. So now we have to solve this OrthoCenter with vertices step by step. So I am write this vertices. A is equals to minus 2 comma minus 1, and B is equals to 6 comma minus 1, and C is equals to 2 comma 5. Okay, clear? Now we have to solve this OrthoCenter slope. So now we draw this and triangle. So this is A and this is B, this is C. So this is point, center of the point. So BC perpendicular to A and AC perpendicular to BA, and AC perpendicular to B. So AB perpendicular to C, AC perpendicular to B, BC perpendicular to A. Okay, clear? Now we have a formula to find orthocenter slope, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, to apply this formula we get the solution. Okay, now we have to find slope of the BC. Okay, clear. Next we have to write this formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, now BC, we take that equation, that is BC. So B and C. Now this is x1, this is x2, this is xy1, this is x2, it is y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 is 5 and minus, so formula minus, and y1 is minus 1 by yx2, that is 2, we know that, and minus, formula minus, and x1 is 6. So 5 minus into minus plus 1 by minus 4. 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. So that is 6 by minus 4. It can cancel 2 2s are 2 3s are. So slope is 3 by 2. Now we get the slope. Now we have to perpendicular slope. We do this slope, convert to perpendicular slope. So perpendicular slope, it come reciprocal. So minus 2 become 2 plus 2. 3 become not minus, only 3, not minus 3. It become plus 3, just plus 3. So now we have to find, we get the slope, perpendicular slope. That means m is equal to 2 by 3. It can be called as m, value m. So now we have to find the one point and one slope. This formula also includes this orthocenter. The formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So in this problem we get that BC, we get that points BC. So there is no A. So now take A. A points are minus 2, and A points are minus 2 comma minus 1. So write in this -2 -1. We know that. Okay, clear now? This point x1, this is y1. So x point, there is no the no so there is no point of y, so write as it is. And x1, we know that -1. Okay, clear? -1. And m point is 2/3. M value 2/3. And x value, no, we don't know x value, so write as it is. And minus, and x1, we know that -2. So now y, minus into minus plus 1, and 2/3 write as it is, and x write as it is, and minus into minus plus 2. So now we have to multiply x plus 1 is equals to 2/3 into m plus 2. So now it's 3 multiplied by this, multiply this to multiply this equation. So 3 into y, 3y, plus 3 into 1, not 3 plus 1, 3 into 1, that is 3. Okay, clear? 3 into y, 3y, and plus 3 into 1, 3, is equals to 2 into x, that is 2x, plus 2 into 2, not 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, that is 4. So we get the equation 3x plus 3 is equals to 2x plus 4. Now we have to write this. 2x come first, so 2x plus 4, and 3x plus 3 transfer to left side, so right side, so plus become minus, so it is plus 3y, it's become minus 3y, and it's plus 3, it transferred, so it is minus 3. Now 2x plus 4 minus 3y minus 3. So write first two variables, so 2x minus 3y, and plus 4 minus 3, so it is plus 1, plus 4 minus 3, so that is plus 1. So we get, this is the solution of OrthoCenter BC. This is called as equation 1. So this is called as equation 1, 2x minus 3y plus 1. So it is called equation 1, and 2x plus 3 is equation of BC. Okay friends, now we are finding slope of BC, that is 2x minus 3y plus 1, and consider as equation 1. Now we have to find slope of AC. So find slope of AC, that equals to, we know that a formula to find slope, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, now slope of AC, we choose two vertices, that is A and C, so it is x1 y1, C values x2 y2. So now we have to substitute. So a y2, that is 5, and minus, and y1, that is -5, so minus of -5, by x2, that is 2, and x1, that is minus, it is minus, formula minus, and x1, that is -2. So 5 minus into minus plus, and 1, and 2 minus into minus by 2 minus into minus that is plus 2. So it is 6 and it is 4. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. So it is 3 by 2. So now we have to get the slope of AC, that is 3 by 2. So now we have to do this slope perpendicular slope. So 2 becomes up, so it is minus 2, and 3 goes down, so it is 3. Okay, yeah. And now we have to solve. So we are finding perpendicular slope of AC, that is minus 2 by 3. Now we have to solve this 1.2 and one slope. That is the formula, that is y minus y1 is equals to m. So perpendicular slope can called as m value. So minus 2 by 3. Perpendicular called m value also. So m x minus x1. Yeah. So in this we have finded AC. We taken 2 points, that is AC. In this AC there is no B value. So we have to write here B value is equals to how much? B value, it is 6 comma minus 1. 6 comma minus 1. Yes, clear. So now B value 6, it includes x1 and it is y1. So we don't know y value, so write as it is y, and minus, but we know y1 value, so that is minus 1, and m value, that is also we know minus 2 by 3. We don't know x value, so write as it is, and minus, we know x1 value, that is 6. So now y minus into minus, that is plus 1, is equals to, now minus 2 by 3, write as it is, minus 2 by 3, and x minus 6. So now we have to multiply 3 to this equation and minus 2 into this equation. So 3 into y, that is 3y, and plus 3 into 1, so it is 3, not 3 plus 1, it is 3 into 1. So is equals to minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 6, so minus 2 into minus 6, it is plus 12. Okay, clear? So now we have to do this 3y, right, as it is, and plus 3, and it exposed to downside, so that is it becomes plus 2x and minus 12. Yeah, it plus become minus, become plus, and plus become minus. So we have take an equation. So first we have to separate the variables and coefficients, their coefficients. So 2x plus 3y minus 12 plus 3, so it is minus 9. We get an equation of slope of AC, and we can call as equation 2. It is called as equation 2 also. So we get equation of BC and AC. Okay, we get equation 1 and 2 also. Okay friends, we are successfully finded equation 1, that is 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0, and equation 2 is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. So now we are solving. So solving equation 1 and equation 2 one by one. So we have to write equation 1, that is 2x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0, and write to equation 2 in equation downside of equation 1. So equation 2 is minus 2x plus 2x plus 3y minus 9. Sorry. Yes. Now we have to do this. So minus 3y and plus 3y, it can be cancelled. So remember that minus 3y plus 3y, it can cancel. Minus 3y plus 3y, it is 0. So remaining 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 9. So plus 2x and plus 2x, that is 4x. So plus 1 and minus 9, it is minus 8 equals to 0. So 4x minus 8 equals to 0. We transpose this minus 8 to this side. So 4x is equals to it minus transpose to its side, it can be plus. So plus 8. So x is equals to 8. 4 comes in this place, it can multiply, it is multiplied. So when we transpose 4 to this place, so it is by. So 4 1s are 4 2s are. So x is equals to 2. Yes, x is equals to 2. 4x is equals to 8. So x is equals to 8, and this 4, it's come to by 4. So 8 by 4, that is 4 1s are 4 2s are. So it is 2 by 1. 2 by 1, that means x is equals to 2. So now we are substitute this x value substitute in this any two equation, that is equation 1 or equation 2. We have to find substitute x value, that is in this x place, that is 2. So now we have to find this equation 1, substitute x value in equation 1. So substitute x is equals to 2 in equation 1. So we know that equation 1, that is 2x minus 3y plus 1. So we have to do x to x place. So x value, that is 2. So 2 and 3 write as it is plus 1. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So minus 3y and plus 1 remaining. So is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. So plus 4 plus 1, that is 5. So minus 3y is equals to 0. So minus 3y minus 5, plus 5 transpose to this place. So it is become minus 5. When plus 5 transpose to this place, it is become minus 5. 5 transpose to in this place, it become minus 5. So write minus 3x and plus 5 becomes minus 5. So now minus and minus, it can be cancelled. So minus cancel, remaining 3y is equals to 5. So now y is equals to 5. This 3 becomes to downside, so it is by 3. So we get y value, that is 5 by 3. So it cannot be cancelled. 5 by 3, it is cannot be cancelled. So it is value. It can consider v as a value of y. So we find x value and y value. So that is x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 5 by 3. So we have to write 2 comma 5 by 3. So we are find it successfully 2 comma minus 5 by 3 as a value of x and y. If you want any doubt to ask me, so please comment on the below and subscribe for more videos.